Welcome to this guide on using the License Query tool on InfoFinder. Let's start by locating the tool. There are two ways to access it. The first method is by product. On the InfoFinder homepage, click a product family under Explore by Products. Then click the product series you are interested in. Click License Query. This takes you to the License Query page. Select a product model and the version you want to view. The latest version is selected by default, but you can change it if needed. License information about the selected product is now displayed. The second method is by tool. On the InfoFinder homepage, click License Query under Explore by Tools. On the next page, select a product family, series, model, and version in order. The license information for your selected product will appear. Both methods give you the same results. The only difference is how you get there. If you often switch between product series, the second method is recommended. Now you know how to view license information. Let's look at how to filter results. There are two ways to filter license items. You can enter a keyword to find the license item you are looking for. It can be a license code, feature name, or a board model. Matching items will be highlighted. If you are unsure of the exact feature name, try filtering by feature. Select one or more feature names from the Filter by Feature drop-down list. This method provides more accurate results than keyword filtering. Once you have found the license you are interested in, you can view its details. Click the sales item code or control item code highlighted in blue. On the details page, you will find a brief description of applicable boards. License activation commands, controlled commands, applicable version range, value range, and license dependency information.